What's up guys, my name is Justin Manis and today I'm going to show you guys 10 steps to be able to do the back tuck. Yes, the back flip. So y'all, just keep watching. Alright guys, so the first step is really simple. All you're doing is you're stooping like this, choosing whichever hand is your strongest hand, and you're putting your fingers facing the opposite direction you are facing. So I am going to use my right. I put in my hands behind me like this, and I walk into the side. The second step, you stoop in the same way, but remember to put your fingers pointing the opposite direction you're facing, which is so fingers pointing directly back, and now you're hopping to go around and behind your hands. So you're just hopping and you're going around. Make sure and push off your toes. Okay, that was step 2. Make sure and focus more about going around your hands than going straight over. Once you've got step 2 down good, now you can start going a little more higher. Now, for step 3, you want to push as hard as you could off your legs. Make sure you're straight. So it's like you're here and you're pushing up like this. So it's like you're here and you're pushing up like that. Moving on to step 4. Step 4, you're doing the same thing, but you're reaching with the hand that you was not using towards the ground. So it will look something like this. Guys, if you could do that, that's really good. Focus on making sure that you end the same way I did with 2 legs, with both legs, right? Try this one. You jump in and you put it down one hand. Notice that I take off with my both legs and I went to the side kind of, and I put down one hand and I land on my both legs. Y'all try to do the same. Make sure you get this comfortable. Now, if you all notice what I did, as I make the first hand land, I reach with the next hand to put it down. So, y'all, make sure you're all doing that, and make sure that you're taking off of both legs and landing on both legs. Step 7, pretty similar to step 6, but this time you're trying to make your both hands land at the same time. Yes, you're kind of going over your shoulder, but you're still going backward. And make sure you're leaving with your both legs and you're landing on your both legs. You should have the confidence to actually go straight back. I will show you how to set up. Alright, so step 8. Now, you're setting up like this. You're stooping, taking your hands back like this. You're keeping your hands in the same line as they go back. And when you reach up, your head going with your hands, and you go straight back. So, try to do the same thing. Try to make sure that your eyes looking in between your 2 hands as you go back. Step 9. Y'all stay with me. We almost there. We have 2 more steps to go. Now we're doing a high hand back flip. And when we see the ground, we just put our hands down like this and land like that. With this one, I suggest when you jump in the air, focus on bringing your knees to your chest. So, y'all, watch it. If you all get frightened, make sure you put your hands. The aim is to land like this. Or, so, y'all watch it. You see how my knees was to my chest and my foot was able to land? You all do that same thing. So, one more time. If your leg's tired, don't go on. Don't proceed. Cut it. Just you all can watch the video. The video again another time. If you all feel you all up for it, we have one more step. Go for it. So jump up, tuck, and open out to land. Make sure that your legs are stiff. Make sure it's not buckling. So watch it. Alright guys, that was it. The rain is falling. Like, share, subscribe. If you all want to see more tutorials like these, comment down below.